Hello student, today we are going to start the chapter Cell. Before we start, let's begin with some main points that we are going to discuss in this topic, and these points will make to understand this chapter very easily. Fine. So first of all the organisms are made up of very small units, and these units are called cells. Cells are building blocks of living organism. As you play with some building blocks at home, or your younger brother or sister must be playing, like that cells are there in our body. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in a cord cell very first of all. Fine. Now Leeuwenhoek in 1674, he observed free cells like bacteria. Next, according to location and function, cell size and shape differs. A cell may be as small as 0.1 mu, as in small spherical bacteria, or as big as an ostrich egg that we can see with naked eye. So smallest cells cannot be seen with naked eye, whereas bigger cells can be seen with naked eyes. So now you can see different shapes of cells. This one is elongated. This one is also kind of elongated. It's very long, having spherical at the end. This is again spherical. This is fat cell. This is an ostrich cell. Others are microscopic, whereas this ostrich egg we can see with naked eye. So why these cells are of different shapes and sizes? Because of their location and the function they perform. On the basis of number of cells present in an organism, they are named as unicellular, made up of one cell, for example bacteria, protozoa and some algae. And the organisms which have many cells are called multicellular organisms. A multicellular organism may be made up of few cells, like a hydra or a sponge. They are very small, or millions of cells, such as an elephant, a huge animal. Obviously, that will be made up of millions of cells. In an adult human beings, when we talk about humans, they are also made up of many cells because we are multicellular. But how many numbers? That is estimated to be 10 to the power 14 or 100 trillions. These many numbers of cells our body is having. In multicellular animals, the cells show division of labor to perform different function. That's why different organs have different types of cells and they perform different functions. Now before we conclude, let's begin with this short topic, like how a cell structure is there. We must be wondering what type of structure a cell is having. All the cells are composed of basically similar parts or components, whether it is nerve cell, fat cell or any other cell. These three main parts are plasma membrane or cell membrane, also it is called, nucleus and cytoplasm. Rest of the things we shall learn in next video.